Hi, today we're going to be using the Lidl Parkside self-watering tomato plant, which includes plant support. So this is the Parkside tomato planter, and the plot volume is 20 litres, and the height of the plant support is 1.18 metres, and the dimensions 37.5 centimetres by 30 centimetres, approximately 8 litres of water. So it's self-watering. We've got a little hole that we water from the bottom. So if we look in the top, it comes with the plant support, which are these rings. We've got 4 of these plant supports. And then we've got 12 support poles. And then we have a base. So this sits above the water from the bottom. And then the tomato plants sit raised up. The water reservoir is on the bottom, tomato plants on the top. The roots of the tomato plant go down into the holes and they get the water. So I'm going to show you how to assemble this. So we've got the dimensions, we've got a layout of the parts, we've got a little diagram of how we assemble it, and then a picture how the tomato plant goes. And it's got a 3-year warranty, which is great. So inside the pot we've got the 2 holes, one either side, and then we've got 3 plant supports for the poles. So we add our insert into the pot and we line up the supports with the holes. And then the shelter from the hole just clips into place. 1, only goes in one way, so these are lined up for support, and then the clip goes in, clip, and then this one goes in this side, clip, bit of fiddling, and there we go. So we can add the first couple of poles. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to add my compost in the pot first before I put the outside level on. And I'm using a bit of a compost, of my own compost. From the compost bin, and some tomato grow bag compost. So that goes in on top, and we're going to add our tomato plants. These have become very leggy and they need to get in. So I'm just going to plant these really deep in the pot, and I'm going to plant 3 in this pot. And I'm making them over the holes so the roots can go down into the hole and then it gets watered. So 1, 2, we use this one, 3, doing nice and deep. There we go. Gonna add some more compost. I'm not going to fill it too high, and then we can take our supports. And if the tomatoes was smaller, it'd be a lot easier, and I'm going to place them through each section. And then we push them down, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to move that one round a bit. Move this one round a bit. So there we go. So we've got 3 tomato plants in 3 different sections, and then we can build up the frame, another ring on top, 1, 2, 3, and then we can place another one on top of that. So we can give these a water. Using the hole at the bottom. And I'm going to use the little watering can. While the tomatoes are still quite young, they need to be watered at the top until the roots reach the bottom. And then we can fill up the reservoir at the bottom. And then the compost is going to soak up through the channels to the roots. That's the reservoir filled, tomatoes planted. All we need to do then is to build the rest of the frame, which I have to do outside, and that's our tomatoes planted. So really looking forward to seeing how the tomatoes grow in this planter, and it's really quite useful for patio, for a garden or balcony to grow your own tomatoes. So thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more, and we'll look forward to watching these tomatoes grow. Thank you very much. Cheers.